What can I do about it? Now that I've learned to doubt it, wish I could live without your love. There's nothing new about it. If you loved me, I'd shout it to all the stars that shine above. I would vow my love in a lifetime prayer if you'd only say that you care. There's only one thing wrong, dear. My love is much too strong, dear, and this romance will always be a one-sided love. I would vow my love in a lifetime prayer if you'd only say that you care. There's only one thing wrong, dear. My love is much too strong, dear, and this romance will always be a one-sided love. A one-sided love, one-sided love, a one-sided love, one-sided I fell in love with her all over again. I lost my heart to her, and I remember just when we chanced to meet one day and casually stopped to chat. That old feeling started again. Yes, it was as simple as that. And now I'm lost again in her warm embrace. A world without her now, I just couldn't face. After all that I've been through, I thought I had learned my lesson well, but then I fell in love with her all over again.